So the question about finding coaching clients is pretty foundational, because like if you want a behavior, then you have to provide an incentive. So like the behavior is what? So I want people to facilitate using these tools. But it's like, all right, so let's say I'm selling a product. How many people are going to buy the product? Well, there's only going to be the majority of people who buy the product are those people who believe that there's value in that product, and that they'll be able to use the tools, that they'll be able to facilitate the process, and that they're going to get some kind of result that they want. So they have to have a vision which says, coaching tools, I need coaching tools, I like coaching tools, I've seen enough of the content of this guy to believe that these coaching tools will make a difference in my management practice. I believe that the information being shared is good information and that I will improve as a person. And then at the end of the day, that people, all my colleagues, people at work, they will see me as a person who has more skills, more insight, and more ability to manage. So therefore, I can get a promotion. I can get paid more money. Okay. Now, but what about a manager who what they want to do is they'd actually like to practice with these skills with other people outside of their own business, because maybe they're not sure they know how to use the tools correctly. Maybe they're not sure exactly what to do with the tools. They don't want to make a mistake within their company. They don't want to get like in trouble. All right. So there's like a lot of incentive for people to take their time to learn how to use the tools and not use the tools in their workplace. Now, another thing is like, obviously a major incentive is like, if I can help you make money, if using these tools will actually help you make money, then like, of course, right? Of course you're going to pay for these tools, because like you can immediately use the tools to make money. So that's why like right now I'm kind of debating with like, what if I had this new vision? What just happened? The drawing tool. What if I had a new vision about what I'm trying to do here? Like, what if I took the idea, this, the email that Tom sent me, and where he's saying, well, people will probably expect to have some understanding of how they can find customers. Otherwise, if they don't have coaching clients, then why are they paying you? Like the reward is too far. Like when I'm thinking about it, the reward, like the promotion at the end of the day, the increase of salary, like those are the real motivators, right? Because of course there's going to be like the short term. They're going to say, I can facilitate these processes. But there's still that risk. It's like, am I facilitating these processes properly? Do they really work in my situation? I've seen like 50 of these 100 stories, and it doesn't seem like any of them match with my situation. Like, where's the value? So I have this idea where there's a platform. So people who are looking for some coach, they can come onto the platform. And then people who want to provide coaching services come onto the platform. And it's like it matches people. So people can like search for coaches and then find a coach. I mean, it doesn't actually even have to be only the brand that I represent. But obviously that's the way that I can start it. And then, okay, so now we're not necessarily talking about creating like a corporate training program for one company. We're talking about creating a facilitation process. So imagine that people come into a classroom, like a language study website. So now we got both people on the website. It's providing, video conferencing software, and then next to it, you have the facilitation process. So the teacher, the coach, they can just simply follow the process which is embedded into the website. So people are using the website. The coach, they have some kind of, maybe they don't even pay directly.